Hey folks, back with a little bit better view of what transpired. There you go. Didn't hold up too well. Just thought I'd try and give you guys a better close-up. It just rolled right on the Mano-Uchi. Right where I was hitting to. But like I said, didn't crack. Could have been worse. So there you go. Kogani Black review. Fail. But yet somehow pass. And like I said, it's still gorgeous. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Bye.